Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. And this is the month of November. November 2nd, we shared our mini kits with all of you. This is the second Monday, so that means layout number 1. If you did not watch the first Monday video, you need to go back and watch it because it's very detailed and it provides all the product information. All right, my videos are going to be a little bit different for the month of November and December, and that is because I am an essential worker and I am still working overtime. And then you add that I have a middle school child that in our area, they are still being homeschool. They call it virtual learning, but I don't really call it virtual learning because they just hand out the assignments and they do it online. There is no like Zoom educational instructions one-on-one with the teachers and their students, so it puts a great burden on us parents, and especially us ones that are working. So anyway, enough of that. You didn't come to my channel to hear all that, but I just wanted to let you know that my videos are going to be my completed layout and me just going over that. This is something new, so I'm not an expert. All right, enough of that, right? Off to this layout. All right, I did not save my branding strip, so I cannot remember the names of these papers, though I can tell you they're all from different collections, and I think this one was a Fancy Pants. Don't quote me, but go back to November 2nd video. I know this is a Cartabella paper, I'm pretty sure. And this one I don't remember at all. So this striped paper here, which is an awesome paper to use for Christmas layout, but this is not a Christmas layout, but I kept the full 12 by 12. Then I took the other 12 by 12 and I used my Creative Memories large circle and just placed it in, like stopped. If you're not familiar with that, let me get it out real quick. See, I'm not very prepared. And they come with the cutting tools. So see right here, and you have cutting tools, and all I did was stop because I knew I wanted this flat and this flat to line up. So that's what I used, this huge circle. All right. And then for this one, I did the same thing, and you have different blades. So you have one that's thinner that goes in those grooves, one that goes out a little bit further. So it's red, green, and blue, and the blue goes out the furthest. So that's what I did and with those two papers and placed them over here. All right, so for my title here, I used this Word package that came out with Jen Hadfield collection. I don't know if it was party time, summertime, whatever. It may have been patio. I know there was one called patio. So that's where that sticker came from. Then this rose gold is from small. One side is gold and one is rose gold, and it was released, I don't know, maybe has it been 2 years? Maybe a little over a year, with Paige Evans collection. It came out, it may be 2 years ago, and then a white and blue one. So one side on this collection, it was gold and rose gold, and then on another collection, it came out with white and blue, and they last forever. These chipboard pieces right here are from Vicki Boutin, Wildflower and Honey. So we have fun, happy moments, celebrate winter. I have lots of titles going on here. I have the ampersand sign. I had these foam words, and this said giggles, and I just put giggle. So celebrate winter and giggle. I just need to get used up. it would be perfectly fine to not have this here. But I am wanting to get some of these products that have sit in my stash for a long, long time, like this Giggle one. This has probably been in my stash 7-8 years. I'm going to guess 8 years. So I needed to get it used up. These 2 gold hearts are from Vicky Booten. It was called the Good Things, what was that called? Good something. It's one of her very first collection lines. But anyway, I have another full pack because I love them. I'm going to show you right here. Was it the good things? I think that's where all the good things. I think that's what the name of the collection. And so this is my second pack, and so all I had left from my first pack were these hearts in the glitter and in the black foam. Then also from the Wild and Honey from Vicky Booten, this chipboard tab right here. And then these came from this chipboard collection. And then I don't remember where where this card came from. I have no idea what collection. I know it's not Vicky Booten. So it says, happiness comes in waves. Yes, please. Make time for what matters. So I have this title going on here and here and here. So I have like 3 titles going on. All right, and then these little puffy butterflies are from Fifth and Monaco from Pink Paisley collection. These butterflies right here. And one of my desires for my November kit was to use Nuvo drops. And so for this one, I have used the gold here and here. Now you'll notice they're not peaked, they're not real lumpy. And because when they're halfway dried, I take my finger just to have a different look, and I just push them down. These work great, so you don't get little peaks, and they go round like an enamel dot. But if you want them even flatter, once they're halfway dry, just put your finger on it, and you can lightly touch it, and you'll get something like that. If you touch a little bit harder, it gets this real cool texture. You will have to zoom in on your phone to see that, or I'll pick up the layout here in a minute. And then right here. And then I have these little plus chipboard pieces, again comes from the Wildflower and Honey collection. Here is just some standard thread there, and I was just trying to make it a little whimsical here. Again, not necessary to have this. If you wanted to recreate it, you certainly can create it without having all this right here. I would still have a cluster here, and you can remove taking the thread if you'd like, if this looks too much going on for you. All right. And my layout's complete. Oh, about the photograph. This photograph was taken on New Year's Day 2020. And this is my brother-in-law, sister-in-law, and this is me, and that's my husband, that's my niece, and that is her friend. And we are out on a buggy ride up in the mountains. And so we took this selfie. We are with a couple other groups of friends that are in there. I call them buggies, but I don't know what you call those four-wheelers, you know, like, well, never mind. I'm not even going to go down that road. I'm going to mess it all up. But anyway, we are out. It is cold, but like I said, we're inside the buggy, and you can tell we got some heavy jackets going on, and I just love my family, and this is my husband's younger brother, and they also live in the area that we live near us in North Carolina, not too far. They're about 20 miles from us. But anyway, so this is what I am documenting, and I have documented this photograph before. If you've been watching my channel, as you know, I make albums for my 2 older children, plus the one that's at home, but his is all about him. I make an album for my niece, and I'll do some individuals for my sister-in-law. So you will see me recreate these. And so I try to switch up the title. Instead of it saying All New Year's, I will tell the story on the back side of this layout. All right, that is it. Be sure to check out the other ladies and keep coming back. I appreciate you all. Most of all, get out your photographs, document your memories in a fun, creative way. You're passing down history, and don't forget to tell your story. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.